this video, guys, I want to show you one simple method that you can make free cash to your PayPal account for free. I want to show you my proof how I make $1,400 in 6 days. Then I will show you how exactly I make this, and you can do it too. All you have to do is copy my method and take action. Don't delay, and you are ready to go. So first, let's go to PayPal. I want to show you how I make this money on 6 days. Okay, you can see $1,400 on 6 days. Okay, so how I make this free cash? Let's log out from my PayPal. For this video, for this method, we will use warrior+plus. It's free to join. It's an affiliate, very good and affiliate network. You can join here for free. You don't have to pay nothing. You don't have to invest nothing. All you have to do is invest some from your times, and you can earn like I earn here. You can see this is from all my earning from warrior+plus. I make over 300 sales. This is my pending right now. This is the available. I can cash out this money anytime I wish. Let's go to view details. You can see here this is my available, and I can get this money anytime I need. Okay, let's go to my view history. I want to show you how many cash I already cash out to my PayPal account. You can see here over $30, $15, 17, 25, 24, 50, 19, 15. Okay, you get the point, and you can see here the date. Every 1 day to 2 or 3 days I make this cash out to my PayPal account. This is a free cash. Okay, you don't have to pay nothing, and you don't have to invest nothing. Okay, all you have to do is copy my method, and you are ready to go. Okay, so you can see here, if you go to affiliate, you can click here, get link, get your affiliate link. Okay, and then you will get your product that you get approved to promote. It's very easy to get approved to promote your affiliate link. Okay, then you have here get link. So all you have to do is click get link, and this is the link. Okay, all you have to do is copy and get traffic to this link. Okay, so how to get traffic to this link? Let's go first to free ad board. You can see this is a free website that you can put your link for free, and your link will seen here. Okay, you can see there is a lot of views of these links. You can see here over 100 views, clicks. Okay, this is clicks and views. You can use this website to promote your link. Okay, site number 2. Let's go to US largest safe list. Don't worry, I will put all the links below this video. Now just watch this video to the end to understand how exactly I make this free cash every single day. and you can do it too. Okay, so on this website you can go to a credit mailer, okay, and put your link here like this. And right now I don't have a credit. Okay, I don't have a credit. How to get a credit? I will show you how exactly I am getting credit. I will open a new Windows. This website will send you some emails like this. So all you have to do is open it and click here to earn credit. So I for example, I will click one of my credit. This will open this website, and let's wait 11 seconds. Okay, right now I have 75 credit. Let's back to my website and click credit mailer. 75 credit. Okay, you get the point. Okay, so you can put your title here, your text, and your affiliate link here, and take your point, your credit, and put here and click send. Okay, you will get free traffic. You can get from this website more traffic for free, of course. Banners, you can go here to banners. You can see here I already have here 5 campaign for free. This is the clicks, this is the views, impression, and credit. Use it, it's free. Okay, site number 3 for getting traffic is traffic post. All you have to do is add your website here. Okay, add new website, and there to then to get a credit you have to click this website here, and for every website you click on this page you will get credit. Okay, very nice. It's a free credit, and you can get free traffic from this website. Okay, more site that you can get free traffic is Viral Rotator. Viral Rotator, you can put your link here on this list. You can see thousands of views for free you can get here. Okay, you can see here a lot of hundreds and thousands of views and clicks to your affiliate link. How you can put your link on this page? You have to click one of these titles here, one of this link. Okay, let's click this link, and you can put here in the top your link like this. Okay, this is from warrior+plus, and you have to put a very good title, very catchy title, and you will get free traffic. Okay, that was free traffic. Now I want to show you the best traffic that you can get to your affiliate link. Very cheap traffic and very fantastic traffic. So let's go to you can click on Google Safe Traffic Rotator. You will get this website. This website will promote your affiliate link. You will get hundreds of traffic to your affiliate link. This is the form. You can put your name, your email, and your warrior+plus link. Okay, you don't need a domain, no host, and no nothing. Just put your affiliate link here. Choose your package. Very important to read the and accept the terms of service, and click this inbox and order now. This is very simple. Okay, this is site number 1 of paid traffic. Site number 2 of paid traffic is turbo website traffic. You can click on Google turbo website traffic.com, and you will found this website. You can get unlimited traffic from this website. Like you see here, this is online visitors right now, over 3,000 visitors right now on this page. So if you click here in the top, the logo, you will get a different product in this page. Okay, you will get a different product on this page. So how to advertise on this website? You can go here in the top, advertising, and you will get this form. I think I don't have to explain how to put your link here. I think you already know how to do this. Okay, very important to get your link from this website, warrior+, and get real traffic. Okay, you have to get real traffic, not software traffic or bot traffic. You have to get real traffic, and then of course you can see a good result and good commission. Of course, it's up to your product. So you have to choose a good and convert product. Okay, make sure you have choosing a good and convert product, and then you will make a commission and sales and leads from this method. I hope you like this method. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.